In this video, we're going to learn how to slow down clips and create smooth slow motion. First, place a video clip on the timeline and select the clip. One way to slow a clip down is by right-clicking the clip and choosing speed or duration. This opens the speed or duration window. By default, the speed is set to 100%, which means normal playback. To slow the clip down, reduce the speed value. For example, setting it to 50% plays the clip at half speed. As you lower the speed, notice that the clip becomes longer on the timeline. This happens because slow motion uses more time to play the same footage. Inside this same speed or duration window, you'll see frame interpolation options. Frame sampling simply repeats frames to slow the clip down and is the fastest method, but it can look choppy at lower speeds. So frame blending blends frames together to make the motion smoother and works well for moderate slow motion. Optical flow creates new frames between existing ones and gives the smoothest slow motion result, especially for heavy slowdowns. Choose the option that works best for your clip and click OK. You can also slow down clips using the Properties panel. With the clip selected, go to the Properties panel on the right and use the Adjust Speed option to change the speed directly. This method is faster and convenient for quick adjustments. Once the speed is set, press the spacebar to preview the slow motion result in the program monitor. Clip shot at higher frame rates like 60 frames per second or more will always look smoother in slow motion compared to lower frame rate footage. And that's it. You now know how to slow down clips. Use Adjust Speed and choose the correct frame interpolation method in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials in this course.